Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Humpty Dumpty Humpty Dumpty wobbled and shook. He tried to balance, but look, look, look! He slipped and tumbled oh so fast. Humpty Dumpty fell at last. But don't you worry, don't you cry. Humpty Dumpty gave it a try. With a little glue and lots of cheer, Humpty Dumpty's back, my dear.